Welcome back to French Circles, where we make grammar easy, visual, and actually fun. Today, we're learning the verb
sembler,
which means to seem or to appear. Let's start. The verb
sembler,
means to seem or to appear. We use it when we want to express a feeling, impression, or opinion, not a fact. For instance,
il semble fatigué.
he seems tired.
Ça semble difficile.
That seems difficult.
Sembler,
Often describes how things feel or appear to the mind, while
paraître,
is more about how things look to the eye. Got it? Hink.
paraître,
Looks like, appears like.
sembler,
Seems like, feels like. Think of sembler as your intuition verb. It's how something feels to your heart, or your mind. It seems right.
ça semble juste.
Now, let's tackle the present tense. Here's how.
Sembler,
Is conjugated. Ready to memorize?
je semble. Tu sembles. Il semble. Elle semble. Nous semblons. Vous semblez. Il semble. Elle semble. Je semble calme.
I seem calm. You can do this. Keep up with me for more.
Tu sembles content.
You seem happy.
Il semble nerveux.
He seems nervous.
Elle semble nerveuse.
She seems nervous. It flows easily.
Nous semblons confiants.
We seem confident. Just like that, you're building your French skills.
Vous semblez occupé.
You seem busy. And for they?
Il semble prêt.
They seem ready. Here are a few expressions native speakers use all the time.
Il me semble que.
It seems to me that. Example.
Il me semble que c'est une bonne idée.
It seems to me that it's a good idea.
Il me semble qu'il pleut.
It seems to me that it's raining. This expression is super common in French. You'll sound instantly more natural if you use it. Easy, right? Tip: you can change the pronoun for.
Il te semble. Il lui semble. Il nous semble. Il vous semble. Il leur semble.
Let's explore.
Sembler.
In different tenses. It's the key to mastering conversations. In.
Passé composé. Il a semblé heureux hier.
He seemed happy yesterday. Simple. Imparfait form.
Elle semblait triste tous les soirs.
She used to seem sad every evening. Feel the rhythm. Now look ahead.
Il semblera fatigué après le voyage.
He will seem tired after the trip. Exciting, huh? Now it's your turn. Comment below a sentence using
Sembler.
Let's see your creativity. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your French learning friends. Spread the knowledge. When you speak French, let your confidence shine. You've got this, keep practicing.
Et n'oublie pas de sembler confiant quand tu parles français.
Join us next time for more French fun. Click that bell icon so you won't miss it. See you next time.
Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.